Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, tinted glass, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.